Hey guys, Laz here, and if you are looking in this module, it is because you are interested in advertising internationally. Now, with that being said, I'm going to give you guys an overview of what happens when you try to advertise internationally using Google Shopping. Now, for one, you need a different feed for every country to which you're looking to advertise. And number two is that you need to have the currency set up for that country. So that complicates things a little bit. We've gone researching what methods we can provide you guys with so that you guys could advertise internationally. And basically, what we have brought to you is this tool. It is an app on Shopify called the Data Feed Watch. It is this one right here. And it's basically the full package in terms to feeds. Not like the Shopify app for Google Shopping, which is free, and that's okay. This one just allows you to do so much more, and it's basically more of a full feed management tool that works really well if you want to advertise international. So yeah, guys, I just want to share this as a quick overview with you guys, but I'm going to be going in deeper into all of this in the next videos and basically walk you through the process of setting up this feed and basically show you guys some of the things that this app has to offer. So yeah, let's get started, guys. See you in the next video.